Hello everybody, Mr. Geo here. Today I am going to show you how to draw Hello Kitty. You ready? Here we go. Start with the letter C, then a circle in the middle, and do the same with the other side, facing the other way. Let's do a small one right in the middle, same with the other side. It's like an upside down V right there for her ear. Same with that right there. Now, let's do the eyes. The eye right there, and fill it in. Same with the other side. We'll go about 1 inch in between. Now, just like a sideways oval shaped circle right in the middle for her nose. Now her feet, we'll do a circle. And let's make another one right next to it. We'll connect it by doing a straight line. Do the same with the other side. And let's connect this one by doing a little curve shape. Now another small U right there. Let's do her whiskers. I'll do a little hook and another, and a line straight down. Let's make her waving. One last line from this side to that side. And voila, there you have it. Don't forget to click the like button and make sure you subscribe to Fusion Muse. Thanks for watching. Fusion Muse.